Today, we're making an ultra-easy smothered tofu. First, fry tofu until it's golden and crispy, then pour on a hot, flavorful sauce. And in 3 minutes, you get that street food style bite. Today, I'm cutting tofu into 2 shapes, cubes and sticks. Same sauce, different texture. So it feels like 2 dishes in one. Start with the cubes. Cut them a little smaller because tofu puffs up when you fry it. Heat the oil to about 70% hot. Drop in the tofu and fry until the surface turns golden. Then take it out and let it drain. Now for the cornstarch slurry. Mix it well. And stir again right before pouring because the starch settles fast. In a pan, add a little oil. Toss in minced garlic and stir fry until fragrant. Then add the sole flavor. Next, add boiling water, then season it. Stir it up and bring it to a boil. Now drizzle in the slurry slowly while stirring. You'll see it go from soupy to a shiny, glossy sauce. As soon as it looks right, turn the heat to low. Finish with cilantro and chili. Stir it through. Once the sauce is slightly thick and can coat a spoon, turn off the heat. Plate the fried tofu, then pour the hot sauce over the top. Crispy outside, tender inside, and that herby chili kick. It tastes exactly like a street snack. If your sauce is too thin, add a little more slurry, or turn the heat up to reduce it. If it's too thick, add a splash of hot water and stir. It'll loosen right up. This is Tofu Series EP2. If you enjoyed it, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.